That feeling of a retreat when we're forced to grow a small account is good and notice. You know it well. If you apply counter strategy without really seeing the true results, this video will reveal the game change approach that helped me break through and can do the same for you guys. Let's start today with $26. Let's go. Wait to choose the surprise I prepared for you. Stay with me through the whole video, it's worth it, guys. So let's start with that. We're gonna use chart types recognition that's used for you, right? At any one time frame. And we're just gonna use only indicator, fractal. Yeah, that's fractal, only that. We're gonna set up that with 3 on period and the color, that is the standard, right? So let's start with that, guys. We can use the that settings and start with this. Let's go. Alright guys, first step is to choose and compare. You can use live pairs, compares OTC on that, and then you need to find a partner with an activity for rise in the price. For example, candles right here is just to rise it up, okay? So I quickly open and I buy trade on this with 2 minutes on time, expiration time, with $26. Yeah, guys, it's another reason to show the proof that this work. Oh my God, let's try to make this line, okay? And so all you need to do is to find support or resistance level on that resistance line, and that's last peak point of the price. Okay, we can see that's 3 points of fractal right here on support line. I usually draw a line along the critical high points of the candles or in the lowest point, and that's every time the candles hit this line, it's come back or falls lower. A few seconds ago, they saw that new fractal open on that, or right here, and on the base signal to open trading condition. These two tools will give you the very good statistics, guys. This right level of view, and new fractal really show when and how to open and trade. And with that, my student, all right, can use that. It's making money with this. It's better than any software because it's live support and resistance level and you can experience. That's a good indicator. You see how this works every time, and Fractal helps you understand that 3 point. It may seem uncomfortable or difficult at the start, but after 10, 15, 20 trades at a couple of days of practice on that, is realize how good is it. Okay, it's real trading and understand the levels. It's a very valuable experience, guys. That's worth, okay? So let's try to do that. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Alright, and look at this, guys. Our first one that's profitable. $49.92. So it's very good started. Okay, so let's to the next one. Recognition candles always give you an advantage because you see the price moments more smoothly and easier for you to see the level. Here I'll open a trade because I see 3 fractals on that. And open is really along the support line. Okay, the trade time is 2 minutes, the average time to choose, but you can always choose that 5 or 10 minutes if you want it. Okay, I recommend you to try another one, but that's up to you. It's always depends on the activity of your currency pair. If you see that each rise and fall lasts a long time, it's better to choose more time for the trades. Okay, also always recommend waiting for fractal to see entry points. So that is another option for you. If you don't see the fractal, it's better not to open trades. That will depend as well. If the fractal is below the candles, then it's critically low point and need to open a buy trade. And the fractals is higher than candle and there's this great high point, you need to open and sell traded. Guys, don't confuse this. Okay, that's important. With the support line, buy trade. With the resistance line, that is a sell trade. Okay? Keep in mind it. This is just one strategy capable of transforming your journey in this market to truly grow professionals. Mastering the most profitable method of this video, but don't worry, I've got you exclusive content piece waiting for you. That will be crucial to your success. So let's wait for that and stay with me until the end of this video. Alright? So let's go with me, guys. Don't close it. Alright, and look at this. More to second one. And we got this again, man. Look at this. As you can see, the price is right. And good trade. $94 of profits on this. And here, let's move on. Alright, guys. Please remember that every level starts and ends. And sometimes some signals may be fake. Alright. The price will not always rise or fall. And sometimes it can open trade at a moment when it's break. Okay. As the example right now. 3 seconds to 1. Oh my goodness. No, guys. This is a loss, okay? This can always happen. And if your signals went against you, it doesn't mean that you made a mistake. As you can see that's a good signal. But it's likely you choose the bad time or different times from the taste department. It's okay. That's a welcome experience. Look at this, guys, in an interesting pyramid, right? You can see that we don't have the fractal, the third fractal here, but that is a good partner. It's look better than the last signal. So I will try to work here a chart to show you right now. I think the biggest problem with this strategy is learning how to find good levels in beginners, to understand how to do that. So with that, I just recommend you to, guys, just watch this video. And for you that are a beginner, just try to repeat or try to apply that in your demo account before to try to use a real account, okay? That is important. That is the point. When I didn't know what support and resistance level were here, I just took pictures or different partners and level from Google and looked at them when I changed the current pairs, guys. That is another tip, okay? It's best to choose some partner and base and just look for something similar. It's right. It's okay. After 10 or 20 attempts, we will see that it's happened everywhere and it become much easier for you. That is the point to use your demo account, for you to get more confident and get more experience with that. In general, the scale will help you a lot in training, so I recommend to do that. That is like a waste of time to use demo account, not real money, maybe, but I recommend to do that. Okay, and guys, but always remember that trade is a risk, and there is no easy money here. Remember that. Buying option are a good choice to understand how can dues behave. But if you are greedy, you will lose money. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Don't let greed take you. Here, it's better to trade slowly and raise your scale. If you use this rule, your account will grow as well. And look at that, guys. My balance right now at $149. I have multiplied my accounts more than 5 times. It's very good for sudden ease and a fast trade session. This method is really on right now. So, guys, write your opinions in the comments. Just leave that. Hit the like button. It's really interesting for me. So react right now. I wish you good profits and see you soon on my YouTube channel and have a good day, guys. Bye bye.